What is a landing page? A landing page is a simple website built around a goal. There are many purposes that a landing page can fulfill, but you should always select exactly the one for your page. Here are some examples: collecting leads, convincing people to buy your product, signing up for a newsletter, registering for a webinar or event. Why should I choose a landing page over a regular website? A landing page is designed for a specific marketing campaign. There is nothing to distract the visitor, therefore they stay on the page. A landing page is easier to build because it's just one page. A landing page builder usually comes with a lot of templates to help you get started. If you are just starting an online business, it is less confusing. It helps you to collect customers who need your product. If you'd like to know which tools, services that I recommend to build your landing page, or if you'd like to know how to build a website, what software that I recommend, leave a comment below and I'll reply. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you.